front of the snow day. Okay, I'm gonna go watch a movie. So first I'm gonna close the curtains, like it's a cinema, and then I'm gonna on my favorite show. I wish it was snowing right now because I'm so bored. I wanna build a snowman and all of that, and have a snowball fight. Okay, I'm just gonna watch my movie. 10 minutes later. What? Why do I hear noises coming from the window? OMG! It's literally snowing! And I just wished for it to be snowing. Ah! Oh my god, wait, I'm gonna go see outside. Oh my god! Yay! Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. I'm gonna go get Mom. Mom! Mama! Mom, yes, what happened? Did something happen? Yes, Mom, just look outside. Oh my god, it's snowing. Okay, honey, we needed to go shopping. Tell your brother that it's snowing and we need to go shopping. Tell him to put on some warm clothes. Okay. Oh my god, I need to go get the baby dressed. Anyways, Mom, where's Dad? Oh, he's at work. Okay. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's snowing. Like, what? No. I can't believe this. It's literally snowing, like when it's literally almost summer. Oh my god. Okay, let me text Ben, the children's dad. Okay, I'm gonna call the dad, the kid's dad. Hello, Ben? Hello? It's snowing. Look outside your workplace. Okay, I finished calling their dad. Okay, wait, guys, hold on. This is. Oh my gosh, I hope he will come back from the snowstorm. Come back quickly. Okay, let me check my phone for the weather. Oh my god, there's gonna be a blizzard, a snowstorm. Oh no, I need to get my bag because we're going shopping. I'm gonna go dress up the baby. I'm gonna leave my bag here for now. Ben, what did he do? Your sister told you to get dressed into warm clothes, right? Yeah, I know. I'm just looking outside the snow because I love snow. I'm trying to count how many snow balls I see coming down. That's not the time. There's a snowstorm coming and we have to go shopping because we might be snowed in and we need food. Oh, and guys, if I didn't say the title is the snowstorm. The snowstorm. Yeah, the snowstorm. I just changed the title. Wrong baby. Okay, baby Ella, wake up. We need to get you dressed. It's literally snowing outside. Come on. I need to buy some more baby stuff, I think, yeah. Okay, I need to get dressed into warm clothes. I don't want to. I want to go outside. It's not that cold outside. Ben, oh, the dad's name is called Michael. Ben, I called your dad and I said there was a snowstorm and then he said he'll try to come home. So Ben, you need to get changed now. When we're outside, you'll be saying it's cold. No, I won't, Mom. We'll see. Okay, Okay, is everybody ready to go? I think, Mom. No, it's not you think. You need to know. Okay. Okay, is everybody ready? Yeah, Mom, yeah. Okay, Ben, get in the car first. Why? Because I say so. Okay. Oh my gosh, this snow is really heavy. We need to hurry up. Come on, Ben, get in the car. Okay. Oh no, I forgot my bag inside. Ah, my bag. Okay, I got it. Okay, guys, I'm back. Mom, is it okay if I bring my bunny? Okay, sure. But Mom, what if we're not home in time before the snowstorms come and we get like snowed out? Well, we'll just have to sleep in the car. Okay. Let's go, guys. Come on. Okay, guys. Come on. Get in the school. I'm gonna leave my bag in the car. Okay. Mom, can we go in the trolley? You kids are too big. Pretty, please, Mom. Okay, fine. Mom, can we please go on this? No, guys, there's no time. There's going to be a snowstorm. Okay. Oh my gosh, even the school is really busy with people trying to get some food before the storm. Yeah, and you're loud. Okay, all of you just get in the car because I have no time. Okay, what else do we need? Okay, guys, stop trying to play in the car. This is important. I'm gonna buy some eggs, pizza, and cheese. We have some food, please. Guys, pretend they bought a lot of food. Come on, guys, out of the car. Okay guys, like and subscribe for part 2. Quickly guys, inside before the storm starts. But Mom, what about Dad? He'll be home, like, in minutes. Okay. Like and subscribe for part 2.